Everybody thinks they're bulletproof until they're not. You gotta hear this before your luck runs out. Don't be the next headline. Let's get real. You've done the job a million times. You know the drill. So you skip the gloves, just once. Or you climb without a harness, figuring, what's the worst that could happen? Next thing you know, it's not just another day at work. It's a trip to the ER. Why? Because overconfidence is sneaky. It creeps in when you're tired, rushing, or just plain used to the routine. You start ignoring the small stuff. Stop double-checking. Treat safety rules like they're optional. But here's the thing. Accidents don't care how good you are. They hit the pros, the vets, the guys who swear it won't happen to me. So before you cut corners, stop and think. Be the guy who makes it home every damn day. Stay sharp. Stay safe. Don't be next.